Assalamu alaikum. This is Abdulrhman Uthman, a student of King Faisal University. In this video, we will continue joining tables. We will be using the tables that were generated in lesson 16, so make sure you did that before proceeding here. In our table design, pay attention to the relationship between countries and regions, countries and locations, and employees and job history. Click SQL Workshop, then SQL Commands. Again, make sure to always set rows value to the maximum. Let's answer the following questions. In number 1, we will select all columns and join countries to regions table. It can be accomplished in several joins like natural, left, or even right join. But I would prefer using join or equal join. Using join and using select star from countries, join regions using region ID. Don't forget the bracket. Run it. We have 4 columns and 4 rows. Using join and on. We need to put aliases to our tables. Change using to on. And write the condition equating their common column region ID. The bracket is optional. Run it. We now have 5 columns and 4 rows. You know why? Because it treats region ID of countries different from region ID of regions. Using equijoin. Replace join with comma. Replace on with where. Run it. Same as the last one. In number 2, we will select location ID, state province, and country ID from locations table plus country name from countries table. We know their common column reference is country ID. Select location ID, state province, country ID, country name from locations, join countries using country ID. Run it. We have 4 columns and 5 rows. Now use on. Put aliases to the tables. Change using to on. Then write the condition. Run it. Error. It means he doesn't know if this country ID is from which table. To resolve, let's put either L or C. Then dot before country ID. Run it again. In number 3, we will select employee ID, first name, and job ID from employees as well as job ID and the start date from job history. The 2 job IDs must appear, so we have to use aliases. Use join and using. Select employee ID, first name, e.job ID, h.job ID, start date from employees E, join job history H, using employee ID. Run it. We have 5 columns. Do you know the differences between these 2 job IDs? The job ID from employees is his current job ID, while those in job history were his past job IDs. In our next lesson, we will use self-join and join 3 tables. Thank you for your interest in this channel.